Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by joining Shopee's affiliate program and linking a verified account. This is essential so commissions can reach you. Once accepted, set up your payment method and tax info so payouts won't stall. Then create a basic tracking system. Use UTM tags plus a link shortener and note campaign names. This lets you see which placements convert. Make sure to choose niches and product categories that match your audience before sourcing product links. This avoids wasted promotion time. Next, you build content that sells. Pick 5 to 10 proven products and plan diversified formats like short video, blog review, and image carousel. Once done, write compelling headlines and CTAs that tell viewers exactly what to do: buy now, check price, or save for later, because clarity raises CTR. Make sure to embed affiliate links with UTM parameters and use consistent naming for campaigns. Then run a /B tests on thumbnails and CTA text so you can optimize spend and organic reach efficiently. Finally, scale what works. Boost top-performing posts with targeted ads or repost the content at different times so more followers see it. Monitor conversions and commission reports daily. This tells you where revenue is coming from. If performance drops, dig into link health and traffic sources. Make sure cookies and UTM tags remain intact. If links stop tracking, regenerate affiliate links, clear caches, and test across devices. One troubleshooting tip: always keep a backup list of working links and screenshots of offers in case disputes arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.